So there's the pretty tree that once fell on my car and the front door. So the front foyer, super echoey. And then this is the combined living room, dining room. And here is the kitchen. It's not supposed to be here. This is the kitchen. Obviously the fridge is open because we moved out. We did not use this for wine, we used it for stuff. Unfortunately, the door on that fell during the move and broke. Here is the laundry room, which I am actually doing laundry today, right now. And there's the pantry. With it being there with in the same room with the stairs, it didn't work the best, but it worked. It worked some. So this was my kid's bedroom. Without the furniture, it doesn't look like much at all, does it, until you are over here. Stuff up there. What is it? So that's what the inside of the closet looks like. I'm gonna use this since there's so much stuff. The other bedroom. There, you can get a good idea. Rooms are just small enough that with what I have to record with, it's a little tough. So it's the bathroom. So it's the bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and then straight across is the my bedroom. And then here's the common area where we have the computer and stuff. My bedroom, without anything, it has 2 doors. It is a little bigger than the others. And finally, I will show you my bathroom and closet. Dun, 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 dun. Hi. So we had the built-in cabinetry. I picked this side because I wanted the extra cupboard, which we both used. It could have been designed a little bit differently to be better. So this was my closet, and it seemed really huge when we looked at it, and then we realized that it just wasn't a great design for us. There was a lot of wasted space because we don't typically hang much stuff. We fold a lot of things. So we figured out how to make it work, but yeah, it wasn't as big as it looked at first either. That's okay. I'm back in the US where it is storming. You might hear some thunder, and I didn't really film an outro for that video. So I just wanted you to get to see the full house tour of my house in Queretaro, Mexico, so you could see what it looked like.